Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious banana zucchini bread. First, gather your ingredients: 3 ripe bananas, 1 cup of shredded zucchini, and other pantry staples like flour, sugar, and eggs. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a 9 by 5-inch loaf pan. In a large bowl, mash the bananas, then whisk in the eggs, oil, and vanilla extract until well combined. This ensures a smooth base for your bread. Next, in a separate medium bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. This includes 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You can also add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon for extra flavor. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet ingredients, folding gently until just combined. Remember, overmixing can lead to tough bread, so stop as soon as no dry streaks remain. Now it's time for the star ingredient, the zucchini. Gently fold in 1 cup of shredded zucchini. Make sure to squeeze out any excess moisture from the zucchini before adding it to prevent a soggy loaf. If you like, you can also add 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts or chocolate chips. Pour the batter evenly into your prepared 9 by 5-inch loaf pan. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool before slicing. Once baked, let your banana zucchini bread cool in the loaf pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it firm up and prevents it from breaking when you remove it. After 10 minutes, carefully transfer the loaf to a wire rack to cool completely. Slice and serve warm or at room temperature. It's perfect for breakfast, a snack, or dessert. For easy meal prep and storage, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade bread.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.